Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold has formed a particular pattern for 2 times. Okay, previously it was from 2012 to 2020. That is not I'm explaining in this particular chart. I have explained that in monthly video and as well as weekly video. You can watch that. See, this is the pattern from 2020 to 2022 and it is trying to form the same pattern here, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what it says that it is trying to form a cup pattern. Okay, I had made a swing at a level of around $1803. So if the price comes close to this level, chances of moving further low is there. Okay, and I've already explained you that if the price sustain above a level of 1807, chances of going further upside is there, and we have seen it has already made a half around 1858. Why? Because this level has been sustained. Okay, and there is a U pattern forming, and this a bounce back has come, so probability of going further upside was on a higher side. Okay, where it can move. If you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. A doubt regarding gold or any other commodities, forex or stock, you can mail me. The mail ID in the description also, and one more mail ID, that is stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, overall trend, if you look at this particular trend, is upside, but from since 2 days it is continuously on the downside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, it has already made a half around 1857. After that, there is a downfall continuously for 2 days. So suppose if the probability that if this level didn't sustain, chances are very high it can go towards a level of $1833.68, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1831.95. Suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see a level of $1827.62, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of 1819. Keep this in mind. Once the price fall below 1819, then chances of going further low is there, and a probability of touching towards a level of 1817 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1810. Okay, this $1810, when the price comes close to this level, then we can see a trend will break. So chances of going further low is there, then chances of going towards $1804 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1794. Okay, and once it fall below 1794, then we can see a level of $1786. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Once the price fall 1804, chances of going further low is there, then we can see a level of 1794, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, now understand something, that the market is volatile for gold, as you can see. Okay, if a swing form at this particular level, suppose if this particular swing form, then we can see a bounce back can come, so probability of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $1847, because a bounce back can come from this particular level, and once it's sustained above that particular zone, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1851.96, and if that level also sustained, chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of 1856. If it goes above that particular zone, then we can see a level of $1859, and once it's sustained above that particular level, because 1859 is a weak resistance, so chances of going further high is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of around $1868 to a level of around $1874. Keep this in mind. Once the price goes above that particular zone, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards $1881 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1887. Okay, keep this in mind. Once the price sustain above $1887, then chances of going towards $1891 is there, and then further upside. You have to keep this in mind, that once the price comes close to this level, chances of going further upside is there, because most of these levels are being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see a further upside movement for gold. Okay, and already a swing has formed this particular level, so if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can fall further down. Okay, now you have to understand something. Why most of the traders lose money? Because they try to recover it. Okay, they do not follow proper psychological thing. What I teach in my workshop, I'll tell you some of the things here. That suppose if you're trading with $10,000, some might be trading with 10k, 100k, and some might be trading with 2k, 3k. So what you should follow, that suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500. Just an example, and a risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, this 100 per trade, what is the benefit? That you will not be in a pressure to recover the money. Okay, but you will be more relaxed. Once you lose 500, relax for the day and trade the next day. Okay, now again if you lose 500, then again it will not create a pressure for you. Okay, this is how I teach how to overcome all these things. Suppose if you lose 5,000, then you will try to recover it and then you will lose your full capital. This is what most of the people do. They lose 3k 5k and a big amount. That is where they try to recover it and they lose their full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, tell me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.